The process of making the meat is not simple. First, the animal's muscle tissue is harvested. The cells harvested are called stem cells. Stem cells are cells that replace specialized cells that are damaged or lost. They divide and produce new cells over time, and when they divide, they can change into other types of cells that make up the body. Signals in the body tell the cell what type of specialized cell it should be by switching some genes on and other genes off. Undifferentiated, these cells are cells that have not yet developed into a specific cell type. Stem cells are basic cells that all other cells are derived from and have a unique ability that allows them to produce many types of cell lines, which are cultures of animal cells that replicate. The process in which stem cells are extracted is very complex. In simple terms, stem cells are isolated and they're put into these capsules. Specifically, they're called alginate capsules, and they come from seaweed. And what they do is it protects the cell while letting nutrients flow in, allowing the cell to grow. Now, when the capsules become full of nutrients, scientists harvest this by dissolving the shell. They dissolve it in some form of liquid, and then they harvest it, and they take all the developed stem cells out, and they grow that further. The tissue that is harvested is made up of muscle and fat cells. The scientists then separate the muscle and fat cells. The muscle cells are then dissected and cultured. Then the muscle cell is put into a type of substrate that supplies essential nutrients like amino acids and carbohydrates that are necessary for the cell to grow and reproduce. Now, the newly grown muscle cells then merge together to form tiny myotubes. The myotubes are then placed into a ring of gel, which detract frequently to create a small strand of muscle tissue. Finally, the muscle tissue tubes are then layered together to form a hamburger shape or any meat.